Number 21. Give in. It means to reluctantly stop fighting or arguing, to surrender or submit.
After hours of begging, I finally gave in. After hours of begging, I finally gave in. He wouldn't give in to their unreasonable demands. He wouldn't give in to their unreasonable demands. She gave in and let her son have a cookie. She gave in and let her son have a cookie.
Number 22. Grow up. It means to develop from a child into an adult.
He wants to be a firefighter when he grows up. He wants to be a firefighter when he grows up. As you grow up, you'll understand more about life. As you grow up, you'll understand more about life. They grew up in a small coastal town. They grew up in a small coastal town.
Number 23. Hang out. It means to spend time relaxing or socializing informally.
The teens like to hang out at the mall. The teens like to hang out at the mall. Can we hang out at your place tonight? Can we hang out at your place tonight? Where do you usually hang out with friends? Where do you usually hang out with friends?
Number 24. Head out. It means to begin a journey or leave a place.
We're heading out on our road trip at dawn. We're heading out on our road trip at dawn. She headed out to the store for some milk. She headed out to the store for some milk. Let's head out before the traffic gets bad. Let's head out before the traffic gets bad.
Number 25. Hit it off. It means to immediately like and get along well with someone.
They hit it off the moment they met. They hit it off the moment they met. At the party, I really hit it off with her. At the party, I really hit it off with her. The two collegians hit it off and became good friends. The two collegians hit it off and became good friends.